Hello and welcome to Power to Path and new video about fast consequence modeling and how to include GIS input to replot the consequence model on a specific plot plan. The first step to have this is to have a high resolution plot plan image file to be included in FAST. How to do this in FAST? Going to map and under raster image set, you will do right click, you will go to insert raster image, and from here you will identify the location of the plot plan of interest. Browsing, here all file, I have the upper deck to be included, and this is just a preliminary identification of my plot plan. By do a click, and from input you can do set scale to this one based on the preliminary dimensions we have for this deck. It is almost 75 meter for the width and 55 for the length. So I will select set scale, and by using, we can see this crisscross. I will move it from the left to the right, tan to tan, and here I will provide the dimension. And I will do the same. Select input, set scale. It is very close to the value we have. So by defining 1x, highly likely the y will be set automatically, very close match to the real data. Since the x and y dimension has been set, now we need to move the point, this point to be moved here. So I will select this, and from input we can see a move, and I can move it so now the point is already inside. I will do another selection. This is my isolatable section I have defined from the previous video. I will select, go to input, move, and I will move this to the first stage separator, and this is my block. Now it is ready to go to home, models. I will pre-run my models, and this is my medium leak. Now I can see GIS is active. So when I click on it, it will demonstrate the consequence modeling for this scenario based on leak of 200 mm on that plot plan. So this is where the dispersion model from consequence, we will do the same. If you have a specific concentration of interest, you can display. Now this is displayed, and also from the consequence we have here, wind direction. You can set the wind direction based on the wind rows. Also from the consequences, we can see you can plot the shape, and this shape based on the wind direction, and also you can have the shape and effect. Shape and effect, it will have an isoblit considering the 360 degree of all dispersion. Going to the consequences, we have all the potential consequences has been predicted by FAST. Here I have fireballs, and it shows the 3 levels has been defined in the previous videos under parameters, considering the 100% probability of fatality, 50%, and 1%. The same thing for the explosion. For the explosion, it will show the various overpressure levels. Shape only, it will consider the overpressure direction based on the wind speed. So this is what I wanted to demonstrate in this video, how to redemonstrate the consequence model and the consequence result from PHAST on the GIS map. See you soon in the next video.